Hey internet, happy new year, welcome to 2021. It has been a long time since I've shown my face on this channel and I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't done it for a very long time, although if you watch my vlog channel then you'll probably be used to seeing my face because I vlog with my face a lot. But it has been a little while since I uploaded on this channel, so I thought rather than just bolting back into the standard video, I thought I would just do a quick intro to say hi. I took the last 2 weeks off really editing or filming anything for YouTube and it has been so nice. I went pretty much straight back into my normal day job after the whole December YouTube run went through, so it was nice to just focus on my job and not have to think about this other side of my life. But I have so many videos that I want to upload, so I think it's time to start uploading again. The video that you're about to watch today, I actually filmed this probably 2-3 weeks ago now, so I wanted to put this intro out in case some of the language that I use in it may be a little outdated. At least now you'll know because I did film it a little while ago. It's probably not very useful because you can't buy it anymore, but hopefully you enjoy the unboxing regardless. The last few weeks or so I have been spending most of my free time actually painting. So working during the day and then painting at night and on the weekends because I've been renovating part of my house. I'm hoping to renovate the entire house by the end of 2021, but I'm taking it in baby steps at the moment, and we are just painting everything. And so it's a lot of sanding, cleaning, paint stripping because it is an older house, so we do have to strip a lot of the old paint away, and then learning how to paint the house, which sounds simple and it probably is, but it's still a learning process for me and I'm not very physically fit, so it's a bit of an effort, but luckily I have a lot of good friends and family that are helping pitch in, so I'm very grateful for that. And also in terms of the schedule for this channel, I've always tried to stick to a 2 video a week schedule, but I don't know if I mentioned it on this channel, on my vlog channel now, because it was all kind of a blur in December. I was uploading so often, I don't quite remember what I said when, but I do want to try focusing on maybe once a week for this channel. There's probably still going to be times when it'll be 2 videos a week, but the whole reason I'm thinking about once a week is that I would love to try and invest more time into making higher quality content. I feel like if I have to upload more often, I don't have enough time nor headspace to actually spend time editing, filming, and really thinking out the process. So you may see a little bit of inconsistency with the uploading for a few months as I try to figure out what I'm trying to do, but you should still at least see me here once a week. So yes, thank you so much for your support all throughout 2020, especially in December. It was kind of crazy to be uploading that often, but I'm really glad we got through it, and here's to 2021. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Hey internet, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. This is my first video for 2021 on my planner channel, and actually I think it's my first video in general for 2021, at least the first one I'm filming, and I thought this would be something fun to unbox. I'm not really sure on the shipping that most people have experienced, but I recently got this probably a few days ago, so right towards the end of December. So this is from Simply Gilded. It's called 12 Days of Simply Gilded Mystery Box. It was a 2020 pre-order. I don't know whether living in Australia meant that's why it came at the end of December, or maybe that was the plan. I know I ordered this, I think, back in the middle of October, so there's a good chance that it probably just has come late for me. But yeah, it's essentially her advent calendar and I am so excited. I can't wait to see everything. I'm gonna unbox this all in one go, which is extra exciting. So yeah, 2 seconds. Got everything kind of stacked to the side in the right order. So first up is this sticker, these foiled stickers. It's a really beautiful pink metallic-like stickers. And then there are some dashboard cards, Tranquil, Heart, and Free Spirit. Oops, sorry if I was not in shot. I love the calmality of this. Very beautiful. All right, so this is number 1, and oh, washi tape, lots of washi tape. Yep, okay, everything in there. So give me 2 seconds to take the plastic off this so you can see it without it shining back too much. All right, I'm back, and these are the 4 washi tapes for day 1. You can see there's 4, but there's really more like 2 designs. It's the same design, but in a larger version and a smaller version. I really like this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like everything, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Then you've got the foiled gold bows in a mint green background. So this is day 1. I'm already really excited. Okay, I'll put it just over here. Now we're moving on to day 2. It's this flat floral envelope. Oops. We've got some stickers. Okay. Let me open these up. I think if you're subscribed to her subscription boxes, then you'll probably, sorry, I can't speak today for some reason, probably be pretty familiar with a lot of the items that are coming through, because they are kind of like inspired or very similar in sort of the item itself, but the designs are different. So we've got some, I don't think this is foiled, or maybe it's very dark foiling. It almost looks like a reddish, like it reflects red, but it looks black. So you've got work, home, play, and then you have some date covers. Wow, this is really nice. I really like this. And then more, oh no, these are icons, are they? No, they're date covers as well. They maybe don't show up as clearly, but I think the number, oh, there you go. In this angle, it's much clearer. The numbers themselves are see-through, so if you put them down on white paper or something, it'll show up. You've got some icons, and the stickers themselves are in little heart shapes. We've got some bows, rainbows, bunnies, and more bunnies, but on a different foiled background, almost holographic. Cute. So day 3 is in this little bundle here, and we've got some washi tape, but we've got some really thin washi tapes. Okay, I'm going to quickly open these up. Okay, so these are the 3 washi tapes for day 3. All 3 of them are perforated, so I think they're like 3.5 centimeters in width, so they fit perfectly in any of the full boxes for most vertical planners. But here you've got a dusty gray blue with a silver bow. This middle one I think is meant for water tracking. At least they look like little water drops, so I assume. And this one is for like cancels, any plans that you put down and need to change, you can put these ones right over it. At least that's what I would use them for. So yeah, cancelled, rescheduled. Cool. All right. So day 4 feels like more washi tape. I'm not gonna complain about that. We've got, yep. So here are the 2 washi tapes for day 4. They're very different sort of design. I've not actually seen these ones before. They have, is this like copper foiling? Is that what you'd call it? I think I'd call it that. So little bows, and this has like a floral design. These are very beautiful. I mean, all the washi tape is coming out really amazing. I haven't really seen any bad washi tape come out of Simply Gilded. So that's for day 4. I've seen some videos where people will pull the washi on a piece of paper to show it. I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in. I'm happy to start doing that for Simply Gilded if there's enough interest. I don't know whether that's just going to make the video longer, because I also do see the comments where people are like, stop talking, just open the stuff. So just let me know what you think. So we're on day 5 now, and this is a flat item. Stickers. So these kind of look similar to the ones that we got for day 2, but just bigger sheets. And I guess with bigger sheets comes with a little bit more colored design. So you've got some rainbows. We have, oh, had it sideways, Christmas owls. And we have a wreath, a golden wreath, some bows with gold foiling. This is the foiling I was talking about that I wasn't quite sure if it was like a maroon red. It kind of is, or maybe even a brown, but this is like a bigger version of it, so you can see it a lot clearer. And then we have some bows, more bows in that darker maroon color, golden bows. We have the moon with flowers, beautiful rainbow. And then, oh, this is really nice. I like this color a lot. I don't know if I like this one or this one better. They're both pretty good. I quite like them. All right, so that's day 5. Moving on to day 6, which is in this bigger envelope and a little bit more regular. So I'm not sure. Ooh. It is a massive bow for day 6. That is, I've not seen a bow this big before. Okay, so it has a bit of a keychain, so you can clip it onto stuff. But yeah, it's a little, I don't know if anyone else's, mine's got a little few marks on it, but I think you're supposed to have it this way anyways because this part is here. So I think you hold it like this. And then we have day 7, which feels like more washi tape. Oops. Oh, I like this one. So day 7 comes with 4 washi tape. These 3 are thinner and they're not perforated from what I can see, so they're more like strips. This one is so cute. It's like a little winter town. It reminds me of Paris / France. I remember when we were in Nice, a lot of buildings were like this. And it kind of reminds me, this one, of the Coffee Monster Co. It's like obviously very different, but I love this style because it works perfectly for a bottom washi. It's so cute. All right, day 8 feels kind of soft. Oh, all right, I think it's a faux leather pouch. Yes, okay, table's getting a little crowded now, but it's a beautiful mint blue. I don't know how you'd call it. I think it's blue. It feels really nice. It's a little pouch that you can use to store your washi tape or your stickers. And then we go to day 9, which feels like a bigger planner. It feels quite large. Or maybe a sticker book. Yeah, it kind of resembles a sticker book. I like that the items are slowly getting bigger and bigger towards the end of the calendar. So this is a really nice, it's not, what did you call this? Caramel brown sort of color. And then, yes, it's a sticker book. There we go, this way around. Some tissue paper to protect it. But yes, you can slot your stickers in here, or photos. I don't know if people still have physical photo albums. I still really love having physical photos. It's just so nice to be able to flip through them instead of just going through your phone. So I'd use this for a photo album. And it has a little loop down here at the bottom if you want to put anything on there. Okay, now we have come to day 10, and it's like a little box with this wrapper around it. This I really like this background because it has all the astrology star signs. And this says Galaxy 21 Tranquil 4 boutique washi tapes. Don't know why this comes in a box instead. Maybe they were special ordered. Oh, look at these. These are so nice. They look a lot like the initial cards from the start when we first started unboxing this. So these are the 4 washi tapes. Oh my god, I think these are my favorites so far. They're so pretty. You've got the astrology actual constellations here, a polka dot, like, well, not even polka dot, this is more like snowflakes. And then you've got the bow and the moon in this really beautiful, how would you call it, like pastel, lime green, pink. It's a very sunrise sort of color. I love this. It's so nice. And it's silver foiling. Silver is my favorite metal. Silver, chrome, platinum, that sort of vibe. Or white gold too. So this is day 11. It feels like there's a pen inside. And a notepad. Great. Okay. Yep, so this is notepad with the same style. That very, I'm going to call it sunrise. Or maybe tranquil. This is, I would say this is like a very good example of it. This just reminds me of sunrise, but it's so calm. I think that's why I love it. All right, so this is what the notepad looks like. It's a beautiful notepad with some gold foiling right at the bottom. Oh, it's not even just notepad, it's sticky notes, so they're sticky. It's even better. I actually prefer sticky notes because random note paper tends to just fly around all over my desk. And then you have this mint pen with some gold polka dots. So now we come to the last day, day 12, and it seems to be the biggest one as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a desk calendar. That's amazing. I don't think I've ever seen it. No, I've seen some mini calendars in the subscription boxes, but nothing this size. This is like above and beyond because it's so much larger than most of the calendars I've received. So let's flip through. Got January, February, March, April. Ooh, this is really nice. May. And I think these are using some, I remember seeing this on some of her old subscription boxes. So I think they're, yeah, definitely seeing this as well. So some of her older designs have come back and been refeatured. July, August. I like this one too. Oops, for some reason I don't know how to flip. September. It's a beautiful marble. Ooh, this is nice. October. November, which is the November. Actually, I just recently unboxed the Simply Gilded November, and this was the same pattern. So I wonder if this is just paying homage to all the previous boxes. And then December. And so if this is anything like what December's box is going to look like, then I'm really excited because I love this color palette. Wow. Okay, so that is everything in the 12 days advent calendar from Simply Gilded. I'd really love to know what you guys think. Just for a bit of context, so the advent calendar itself, so everything you see here, was $89 US, and because I live in Australia, I had to pay an additional $20 US shipping, so all up it was $109 US, which I think translates to like $150 Australian or something like that. It really depends on the exchange rate at the time because we keep going up and down. And I really like this. I have paid some really silly amounts for advent calendars that I didn't enjoy, but I actually really like this. If I was to summarize my advent calendar journey for 2020, hopefully I said that right, I know it sounds wrong to me, I bought the Charlotte Tilbury, which if you watch my vlog channel you would have seen I purchased the Charlotte Tilbury calendar. I also purchased the Ferrero Rocher, which is a chocolate calendar. That one wasn't too expensive, so I wasn't too disappointed, even though I know if I just bought the chocolates themselves it would have been much cheaper. But I was kind of like a little bit not too happy about the Charlotte Tilbury because I think it was very expensive. And I thought, oh, I'll just splurge this year, just see how it is. And honestly, it wasn't worth it. My favorite advent calendars this year have definitely been anything planner related. The Coffee Monster Co., that was much more affordable and it was so worth it. And this one to me would be worth it too. So I think for 2021 December, if I do advent calendars again, which I don't see why I wouldn't, I think I'm going to stick to the planner world because I think you actually get a lot more value for what you pay for. Anyways, those are just my 2 cents. I'd love to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.